Hello everyone. The project name is Bangalore Traffic Pulses. So in urban areas nowadays the traffic is becoming a significant issues. So this is happening due to the increasing number of vehicles on the road. So to solve that issues, we are developing an innovation solution to address these issues. So in this project, like if you enter like area name and a road name, it will give you a road advisory, which is how the traffic it is like that. So this is done by using K-means clustering model algorithm we are using here. This is a block diagram. First of all, we need to collect the data set for the Bangalore traffic. Then we'll go for the pre-processing. And then we'll analyze that Bangalore data will get analyzed. So after that, you need to select the area name and intersective name. So if you select that area name and the road name, means you will get one advisory. So here you can see that selecting area name of selecting an electronic city and that selecting the road name. So 100 feet road. So here it's giving some traffic advisory. So this is my training code. First of all, we need to import the required libraries. So Pandas, SQL, Matplotlib, Sleepbound. So Pandas to handle the data manipulating and SQL for the that pre-processing. And we are importing our model as k-means and matplotlib and Seaborn for the visualization. First, we need to load our data set here. So this is our data set. First of all, we need to load here. Then we need to select numerical columns. So in data set, we'll have both numerical and categorical. So here we need numerical columns. So for that, we need to select numerical columns. And then by using this drop now function, we are dropping that column with the column is missing that values. So then we need to extract the numerical data. So here already we have that numerical columns, right? That we are creating a new variable. So then we need to do the standardize the data. So by using standard scalar function, like it will remove every mean and every features will be in scale. So here we are applying PCA. So it will reduce the two component down. So it is better for the visualization. After that, we need to create data frame for that PCA results. And we are applying our model as k-means clustering. So this is our algorithm. So here n clustering we are keeping as 3. So that thing we are applying in that PCA data. So then we need to do again that standard scalar. Again we need to apply that PCA. And here we are using elbow method. So it is used for the optimal number of clusters is there by using this inner TR. So here we are taking range for the 10. So again, we are taking optimal k is equal to 2. Further, I'm using that k means for that PCA data itself. So this is our aggregated data frame. So like area name and a road name we are taking here. So based on this, we'll get some advisory. For that, I'm writing one function as generate overall advisory. So this is our app.py. So this is on web page. It is doing by the class. So this is our database name, Bangalore traffic. So whenever the user enter the details, so that thing will store in this database. So here we are using XAMPP server. So same thing, first we need to load our data set and then we are selecting our necessary columns. So same thing what I have done here, I'm integrating to this. And then about contact, index, log, predict, and register. So this HTML pages will interact with this Flask and will get one new web page. So now let me run and show you. This is our web page, traffic predictor. So here you can see that click me to start the prediction. So here we have login, register, about contact. So first of all, you need to log in here. So this is for the registration and about our project. So about the Bangalore traffic advisory system. So what are the things we have used in our project? Just we are displaying here. And then contact. So if you have any queries regarding to this project, you can contact through this. So whenever you are accessing our prediction page, first of all, you need to log in. Then only we can access our pages. So this is our page, right? So Bangalore traffic advisory. As of now, we didn't give any input. So here I'm selecting as Jayanagar and Jayanagar fourth block. So it giving some advisory. So based on this area name and based on this interaction or road name, it will give some traffic advisory. So here you can see that high speed like traffic is moving smoothly and the travel time index. So longer travel time than usual. And it's showing that weather also no advisory weather condition reported for this road. And then high incident rate like increasing likelihood for delay due to incident. So some of these advisory will give.